Hello everybody, welcome to Chef Life, the channel where we travel and eat, and today is more about traveling and experience a little bit something local. We're here in Mauritius in Vanille Nature Park, where they have a lot of animals, but especially the giant tortoises, and I forgot the name, Aldabra, which are one of the biggest tortoises apparently, and looking around they look pretty big. So we're spending a little bit time here exploring and of course sharing our experiences with you. Hope that you like it, so give us the thumbs up, and of course if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. But let's look around a little bit and maybe feed one of these big beasts who are so slow that we don't really need to be worried about them. Look at the big one there.
Become behind him.
This one eating. It's so big. Oh, it sounds hollow.
Feet look like a dinosaur.
You seem to be hungry. Oh, he's acting. Yeah, you need to chew a little bit, eh?
Good.
This is amazing. So apparently the oldest one is 110 years old, but he's injured. So they put him a bit separate. And these ones here, they look like stones, but they're not. And it is so amazing how they come. That one is really hungry. Nice. Okay, not all for you. There's some other ones too. You know, oh wow, he actually bites through the big one.
No.
But you know, when you look at the face, it still looks like Come up, yes. Yes. Yeah, you need to stretch a bit, come. He's stronger than me. Wow. we are actually in front of the retirement home of Domino, the first tortoise here from the whole thing. He's 110 years old. They think he's born 1913 and he was a pet. He has over 100 youngsters, so definitely helped to repopulate the island with tortoises. It's just amazing to see. Imagine 110 years old. That's good. And just in case somebody gets nibbly, there is a little shop with some local specialties, chips and drinks of course. So there is actually a really nicely situated restaurant here where you can eat, and having a crocodile farm here, we thought let's do the crocodile tasting platter. It looks actually like chicken. There's some smoked, some samosas, some satés, some crispy. Let's pop a crocodile. Good. It tastes like chicken, little more chewy, but very tasty. Now that was fun, I must say. You know, it's not huge, but it's really nicely kept, and the tortoises are the big stars, I think. We actually went back after a quick lunch here just to see them again. They are so beautiful and gracious and sometimes lazy in the sun. So I hope that you enjoyed it. We definitely did. When you're in Mauritius, this is a fantastic thing to do, especially with kids. Come here, feed the animals, make photos, have lunch, and have a good time. See you soon for more adventures. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe, of course. See you soon again.